lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and today I have played with the 3503 Fierce palette. I saw Lipstick Nick play with it. I created this look. I did not show my lipstick on camera, so I'm going to quickly run what I used. I used this lip liner from, this lip liner. My lipstick, Unicorn Blood from Jeffree Star. I love this color to death. The Betty Boop mascara, and I used this liquid eyeliner. I did mess up my eyeliner, but like I said, you'll see in the video. But yeah, these are the products I didn't list on there because I didn't really show. But I hope you guys enjoy the video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and smack or tickle the little bell. Hope you guys enjoy. Today is going to be like a small get ready with me first impressions. So this is my second attempt to film a makeup video. Like the first time I did was on my bed. I was doing the alien palette. That was trash. And then the second time I was filmed the cremated palette. Half my footage was deleted, but it's okay because I'm gonna try again with this, but with the Morphe, the 3503 Fierce palette. I think it was from Lipstick Nick, and I have a bunch of new things because I went out shopping. I got a bunch of new stuff. I got these. This is the Fenty. I got the foundation and concealer, and then a lady also recommended, she helped me match. Hopefully it actually does my skin color. I used to have Ipsy, which I re-picked up Ipsy, but I have these Blue Duos highlighter and Spark. And by the way, let me know if you like the new setup lighting. I flipped my room around, so now it's the wall is white with that. Because my room is technically all black. 3 of my walls are black. I have a bump bell that's white, and this wall back there is white. I was trying to have my vanity facing that way, but it's this whole thing. Here's the blush I want to use. It's in the color Spirit. Actually, let me swatch these for you. And I'm using a different bronzer. It's just because I dropped my favorite bronzer and it broke in a million little pieces. I mean, it was already breaking, but the fall of my vanity finished the break. Here is Spirit, Spark, and Blogger. Yeah, I got this. And the names of it is on this little thingy. Has no mirror. But yeah, so I know I said in previous videos where I was talking about my Jeffree Star and Morphe. I think it's a Morphe formula, so we're about to find out. Also, I want to retry out the Milani Rose Primer and the Milani Rose Prep and Bright. I think I want to go with a fall color. I do like the fact that there's green in here, and this is a little mustardy, which is beautiful. Man, it looks so much vivid on the camera. I'm going to be going into my Tarte. Also, I got my hands on the new Too Faced Pumpkin Spice collection. I got the lipstick and pumpkin spice, and I got the pumpkin spice palette. I am planning on doing a video on it. I'm really excited. I love anything pumpkin. I love anything fall. I love Halloween. Halloween is my favorite holiday. I think my my Tarte Shape Tape concealer that I use on a daily is almost out. Or drying out. Whatever, it's coming first. I'm looking down here at the
basket of stuff I need to try. It's up there. So yeah. I might have to pull my mirror up a little closer. There's no way I can look at this binder and just put my makeup on. I mean, today my eyesight is it's not being bothered by the contacts, so I don't know. Put it over here. So I might look down maybe if I zoom. Is that too close for comfort? Probably. I don't care.
I think I'm gonna go this color. No. Let's first set it. Yeah, let's do that. Let's take... I also want to start practicing my nudes. God, I suck with nudes so bad. I'm terrible. But that's okay. Because I'm not a professional makeup artist. I just love doing it for fun. I think I'm gonna go into this color right here, this orangey, and I think I'm gonna go in the inner V with this. So how are you guys doing? Anything fun going on these days in the world? Gonna go into this. Also, I want to talk about the Jeffree Star orgy release. I've technically wanted to get it, but my store closed down and for like a month, and I was moving, so yeah, I wasn't able to like get it because like I have to like spend my money wisely. But I've been watching a lot of videos. Some people are loving the palette, some are like easy to blend, stuff like that. I've also seen some reviews where they were having a hard time blending, it wasn't working out. So yeah, I am kind of in the defense if I'm gonna get it or not. I don't know if I'm gonna get it or not. I do want the lipstick Vault. No, and it's extra butts because they have I don't remember the exact name of it, but it's like Libra Lyn, yeah. And since I'm a Libra, I really want that shade, so I'm just gonna buy the whole Vault. I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here, and I'm gonna go into the outer V, and let's see what this does. And there's like another release that I wanted to get, the Candyland, but I also saw a lot of videos where that is not that pigmented. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna go dip into that. Now, let me just tell you about right now about this palette, the Morphe. it is blending out like a dream. I'm actually liking this. Like, oh, looks like so far like these colors are blending in. It's gorgeous. I don't know if you can tell a difference in the camera. If not, I'm sorry. I think I'm gonna take this like little brush. I think it's a detail brush, and I'm gonna go into a brown and darken this up. I think I'm gonna go into, I think this one is called Stimina, something like that. And I'm gonna go and make this a wee bit darker. I've been playing Last of Us. I just got the second one 2 days ago. My friend, he got it for me because he knows I've been dying to want to play it. It's just, you know, again, I'm not trying to like spend unnecessary money. I'm trying to get holiday shopping, stuff like that done. But he was so kind and got me the Last of Us 2, and I already got to the part, like, spoiler alert, Joel was killed and I cried. Yes. I know he's just a character and it's just a game, but like, I love Joel. Joel and Ellie was like my jam. Yes, I just started playing like Last of Us March. Oh, it was March or April. I only saw one spoiler, and it's from Repensol. He's a gaming YouTube channel. He's actually a customer of mine where I work at, and he gives out like the best tips, stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna leave his information like somewhere around here so you can go check him out. Okay, so what glitter should I do? Wow, this one right here shows really well. I think I'm gonna go into like, I think this is like a copper shade, so let's do it. Like, look at that, yum. Let's swatch. Like, yum. Okay, let's get this on my eyeballs. So far, I love this palette. It blends like a dream. I want to know, like, if anybody else played with this palette, like, what they thought about it. I don't know. This quality seems a lot different from my Jeffree Star and Morphe collab. Because I think this was the lipstick collab. I just know she used the palette a lot. But it blends like a dream. I'm loving this look. It's giving me like a fall little vibe. I'm gonna go in with the primer and prime my whole face. But yeah, by the way, if you see like red tint, it's because like I dyed my hair red and it's like all over my neck. I know in the winter time this is gonna be like my best friend just because my skin gets really dry in the winter, and it's kind of like combo in the summer. I mean, I actually do like it. Like, the first time I used it, I was like, yum. It was amazing. But, yeah. These, it's also a light scent of rose. It's not that bad. Let's see if this concealer can help. By the way, I never had anything this like luxurious. Like when she was in there trying to show me, she dropped one of the foundations and it broke. And I was like, wow, that's actually glass. And like because of the whole COVID-19, you're not allowed like a swatch or test it on yourself. You have to have like ask like people to help you with it. Oh, guys, look how luxurious this looks. This, and like, I don't know why they put the for the minis these little puffs. Okay, let's be more realistic now.
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera, maybe do some eyeliner and some mascara, and then I'll be back to show you how everything else I use.
Okay, I'm back. So, I look crazy. So, I messed up with my eyeliner. This one's going like this, and this one's going up. We're not going to discuss it after this. Okay. The next product I'm going to use, that's Morphe collab, is this bronzer, which I already swatched and showed you. That's the bronzer, which I already tried these. I already know I like them. But since I was doing a Morphe palette, I want to do like a more, like I wanted like a kind of Morphe theme. I don't know. By the way, I'm loving the foundation. So far it's looking really great. So now we're going to go back to the palette. We're going to do my under eyes. I think I'm going to go a wee bit dark. Maybe to hide this terribleness of eyeliner. And also, I'm planning on doing a, I had somebody say they want to watch me try out the ColourPop foundation. I will do it. I want a giveaway, so palettes come in, and it's ColourPop, so I want to do like a ColourPop theme, like, because I got the foundation, I got lipstick, lip gloss, lip liner. I would probably use one of the shocks I have as highlight. This is the final look. Tell me how you feel. I am not going to put a wig on. I'm actually going to enjoy my red hair. Also, like, dye these little hairs. I didn't bleach them out, and my scalp is dyed. So yeah, okay. Here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hope you have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Bye, loves.